Good morning, students. I'm going to teach you exercise 3L. Okay, exercise 3L, page number 40. Simplification. Okay, that is simplification. Now you see here. So how to do the simplification? You have a little bit you have heard in class 4 also. Now I'm going to teach you. Follow it. Okay, I have already done here. I will just explain it. Try to understand. So D4 divide, M4 multiply, A4 addition, and S4 subtraction. Okay, so D4 divide means in a first of all you need to understand what is simplification or what is simplify. Okay, simplification means in such a sum in which two or more than two the operations has been done. Okay, so like you see here, one question I want to show here. Question number 1, 5 multiply 10 plus 8 minus 2. So how many operations are here? Multiply, addition and subtraction. Three operations are here. But now simplification will teach you or make you learn that which you cannot do all the work together, or you cannot do any work randomly. Okay, so there are some small particular steps to solve such a problem of simplification. Okay, like while solving any problem of simplification, you always observe that first you have to see that how many signs are there in the question. Okay, like in this question, multiplication, addition and subtraction, three signs are there, but all three operations cannot be done together, step by step. First one operation, then second operation, then third operation. Okay, so there are three operation of multiplication, operation of addition, and operation of subtraction. Okay, so what to do? You always remember that in these steps, first we have to always do division. Okay, first we have to finish the work of division. After when the work of division will be over, then you have to finish the work of multiplication, then you have to finish the work of addition, at the last you have to do the work of subtraction. Okay, you cannot do two work together, two operation cannot be done together. So I have already done here. You try to understand here, like question number 1, 5 multiply 10 plus 8 minus 2. So here you see multiplication, addition and subtraction. So as per I have already given the steps. Okay, first we need to do division. Division is not here. Okay, and multiplication here. First division, after that we need to do multiplication. So first you try to find the division. Division is not here, then you have to do multiplication. So I have done here in the first step I have multiplied. You see here 5 and 10 is multiplied how much? 50. Others I have written as usual same, plus 8 minus 2. I did not do any work here. You cannot do any work here. Okay, again after that you see now the work of multiplication is over. Now here two sign operations are here, addition and subtraction. So after multiplication we need to do addition. You cannot do both together, so you have to do step by step. Okay, so 5 plus 8, after that we have to do addition. 5 and 8 how much? 58. Then others, now only addition is done. Now this other part you have to write down as usual. Now minus 2. Okay, after that at last only one operation is there, 58 minus 2, that is 56. Okay, now you come to the question number 2. Try to understand question number 2. In question number 2 you can see 45 divide 9 plus 42. So as per the rule, you can see, as per the rule we know division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. You cannot jump directly subtraction, or you cannot jump directly addition. You have to see first division is there or not. If division is there, first we need to do division. If there is no division, then you have to check multiplication is there or not. If multiplication is also not there, then you have to go to addition, then you have to go subtraction. Okay, so here which two sign are there? Division and addition. So division and addition, which you have to do first? We have to do division first. Okay, so we have to do division. Now 45 is divided by 9 5 times. Okay, then other part you have to write as usual, write down as usual, plus 42 as usual. Okay, after that only one operation, 5 plus 42 is 47. Okay, now you come to question number 3. Question number 3, how many signs are there? First you see here, minus, multiply, or minus, multiply, addition and minus only subtraction. Okay, minus is subtraction, subtraction, multiplication, addition and again subtraction. So as we know, as per rule, we know first we do divide, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So here you can see, so subtraction, multiplication, addition and subtraction again. So we need to do first multiplication. Okay, first we have to do multiplication. So I have multiplied 7 and 2, it is 14. Others you have to write as usual, you cannot change the place also. So 45, it has no any work with 7. 45 minus, then there is minus sign or multiplication sign, so you have to multiply first. Okay, 7 to the 14, then plus others you have to write as usual, plus 30 minus 4. Now you see here, after that you try to understand here, 45, okay, this is the first number, okay, and minus 14 plus 30 minus 4. As per the rule, we know after division and multiplication, when division and multiplication is over, then we go for the addition. So here you can come, you can understand here addition. So which all sign number has the addition sign. So 45, no sign here, so it has plus only. So 30, it has addition. So these two you have to write together. You see here, it has addition sign, it has addition sign. So you have to write together 45, then this plus 30, you have to bring here plus 30, then minus 14, minus 4. Because it is far, so cannot add, you have to write, we have to arrange them, okay. All plus sign we have to write together. So 45, the first number should be always first, then you have to see where is the plus sign. Plus sign is here, so this number will come here, plus 30, then minus 14, minus 4. After that, I have to do addition work, 45 plus 30, that is 75. Other, you don't have to do anything, you have to copy the same, copy it same. After that, 75 minus 14 is 61 minus 4. You cannot do all at a time also, you can do at a time, no problem, but if you do step by step, it will be good. 75 minus 14 is 61, and 61 minus 4 is 57. You must write this equal to sign also, okay. This sign is also important. This is the answer. Now come to the next question, okay, which contain so many operations like addition, division, multiplication, subtraction, again addition, okay. So here if you see, so as per the rules we know, first we need to do division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So you come to this question, you see first division, first you have to do here, okay. So 14 divide 2, 14 is divided by 2, that is 7, okay. Other work you cannot do, others you have to write same, like 9 is written same, plus 14 divide 2 is 7, then multiply, then 7, then minus 11 plus 2. Others you cannot do anything, okay. First you have to do only the operation of division. This division is over now. Now you have to after division, what we need to do? After division we do multiply. So you have to multiply 7 and 7, that is 49, okay. 49 multiplication. First after division we have to do multiplication, 49. Then others I have written, copied the same. Then again 9. Now you see here, again you see here, after addition and subtraction, only two operations are there, okay. So all addition we have to write together, 9 plus 49, again it has the plus sign, so plus 2, then minus, you have to arrange in this way, all plus we have to write together. Now all three is added together, we got 60, okay. Then 60 minus 11 is 49. Now last question, very simple question, and the last question, 25 divided 5 minus 13 plus 2 multiply 8. We know as per the rule we need to do divide. So 25 divide 5 is 5, okay. 25 is divided by 5 times, you can do in rough, okay. Minus 13, others you have to write the same, okay, written same. After that, what we have to do? After that, minus subtraction, addition and multiplication, we have to do multiplication. Now 2 8s are 16, okay. Again after that you have to arrange all plus together, plus first number you cannot change the place, okay. First number will be here only, the plus 16 is here, plus 16 again you have to bring here. After that minus 13 will go at the last. 5 and 16 is 21, minus 13, 21 minus 13 is 8, okay. You might have understood how to solve the problem of simplification, okay. Based on this you have the exercise 3L, page number 40. You see all the questions and try to solve each and every one, okay.